Okay, so you'd like to know, can boxes be printed in metallic inks? Yes, they can, is the simple answer. It's not straightforward, certainly in terms of colour matching, but actually metallic inks, in the grand scheme of box production, might only increase the price by some 10%. In the true sense of ink cost, a metallic ink can be 12 or 13 pounds per kilogram, whereas black, manufacturer can source for less than 2 pounds per kilogram. But in the grand scheme of box production, for the average batch size, a manufacturer isn't normally going to use anywhere near more than 50 kilograms of ink. So actually, in terms of achieving metallic inks, it can make a big impression. Now, this example here, the material of this box is actually a clay-coated board white on the inside before it's being printed. And now on the outside, it was a white craft material box. Now, the external and the internal have both been printed with exactly the same metallic silver ink and going through the same machine, exactly the same process. Now you'll see a big contrast between basically the appearance here to the naked eye, and hopefully you come through on the lens here, of the same silver metallic ink on the clay coated board on the inside compared to the white bleach craft of the external side. It almost looks grey on the outside. Again, on the inside, same silver metallic ink printed onto that clay coated board makes a big difference. Now that makes it very hard for your box manufacturer to actually get an exact match to, if you, for example, say to them, hey, I'm looking to achieve something that I've seen elsewhere, because in reality, what often happens is the sample you might have got hold of might be silver foil blocked, or even the material itself might be basically metal foiled, just like we have here. So actually, depending on how the light catches that, you might have a subjective look of it in comparison to something like this, where you think, well, actually that might be darker or it might be lighter. So the exact colour you just need to be a little bit open-minded with. But the good thing is that in terms of metallic ink options, well, there are Pantone metallic ink references. So rose gold, silver, normal gold. There are a whole wide variety of some 50 plus metallic inks to choose from. So just be open-minded that achieving the exact colour you are acquiring might be hard to get, within 85 to 90% accuracy. Nevertheless, it's a very striking look. I mean, I love this. The full, pretty much flood silver printing here and then white out of the text, and actually a second colour of black printed here. There's just something very special about metallic inks. So absolutely consider it, but just be open-minded. Otherwise than that, mail happy everyone.